Hello everyone, I am Ganapathy from the Endpoint Device Management channel. Today we're unlocking the secrets of intunewin files. Let me provide tips on how to download the intunewin file from Intune when the source files are no longer available or have been lost. The MEM portal doesn't include a download button for this file type. Instead, I'll guide you through a simple method to access the converted Win32 application files that were previously uploaded to the MEM portal. To begin, you'll need to assign the Win32 application to either the user or device group. I recommend trying this on a test device, or ideally, on a virtual device that you can revert to a snapshot. This precaution prevents potential permission issues caused by modifications. Once assigned, you can proceed to retrieve the source files from the *intunewin file. Here are the steps to locate and copy these source files. How to find the intunewin file. First, you need to set the correct permissions on the IME cache folder located in C/Windows. This is a standard location that is used to install applications by Intune. Open Explorer and navigate to C/Windows/IME cache. Right-click the folder and choose Properties. Select the Security tab and select Advanced. Select Change Permissions. Double-click on System Account. Remove these basic permissions. Full control and modify change applies to this folder, subfolder, and files. Select these basic permissions: Read, Execute, List folder contents, Read, Write. Tick the checkbox. Replace all child object permissions with inheritable permission entries from this object. Accept the Windows security alert 2 times. If you now open the company portal and you tried to install an application that was made available for you, the application will install. After the install, you can check the C/Windows/IME cache folder and you will see the extracted intunewin file content. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial on extracting intunewin files. You now have the power to unlock Microsoft Intune packages with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.